Here I'm performing dumbbell chest flies. Now this is a good alternative to a pec deck if you do not have one, or if you experience certain pain or certain tightness or sensation during the pec deck. Now the whole point here is that we are holding two dumbbells and we are controlling it as we allow our arms to go further away from our midline in that abduction movement pattern. So you can see here I'm controlling the weight down and I'm stopping it just shy of going below where the bench is or where my body position is. So as I come down, I'm breathing in and expanding my chest and rib cage, and as I come up, I breathe out. The whole point of it is that when I come down and breathe in, I'm artificially lengthening and expanding that chest or pec muscle, and as I come out, I breathe out to help assist with that contraction and shortening of the pec muscle. The most important thing here is that you are controlling the movement and not allowing the weight to just fling you down and then just flinging it back up. You can do this with an incline bench or with a flat bench, as I will show you later. But the most important thing is that you're controlling the movement at all times. The most difficult part of the movement is that bottom to mid bottom position. So ensure you're controlling the movement as you're coming up and going down. Now here I'm doing it in a flat bench position. In terms of how it's going to influence the movement, it will change it ever so slightly. But in terms of how to execute it, it will remain very similar. Now the main thing here is that I create some sort of an arch in my lower back, but it does not need to be excessive as this movement does not need too much stability as compared to a dumbbell bench press or a barbell bench press. I just create minimal arch or slight arch to allow for that comfort in getting myself in position, and then I lower the dumbbells in a controlled manner. Some mistakes I often see is where people have the dumbbell going behind or in front of their body, meaning the dumbbell starts to drift slightly towards their head position or towards their belly button position. You do not want that. You want to keep it in this chest plane or in this chest position where it is nicely aligned to that chest and just under the mouth, right? So we're going to keep it in this plane and control it as we lower it down and bring it back up.